Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi khusus militer di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov, tanggal 6 Agustus merilis serangan udara pasukan Dirgantara Rusia dan tembakan unit artileri mengenai markas sementara Brigade ke-46 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di dekat Belogorka, wilayah Kherson. Lebih dari 400 tentara dieliminir, kata Igor Konasenkov. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan tentara, pasukan rudal dan serangan artileri Rusia terus berlanjut terhadap fasilitas militer di Ukraina. 2 depot amunisi di dekat Trudovoye dan Soledar di Republik Rakyat Donetsk dihancurkan. Selain itu, 1 depot bahan bakar AFU dengan lebih dari 50.000 ton bahan bakar diesel untuk peralatan militer pengelompokan gugus tugas Dnieper dihancurkan di dekat Zaporozhye, 5 peleton Grade MLRS, 3 peleton sistem artileri self-propelled Gvozdika, 1 peleton artileri senjata Gyatsin B dan 4 peleton artileri Howitzer D-30 pada posisi menembak ditekan di dekat Republik Rakyat Donetsk, Kalinovka dan Dobroye di Nikolaev. Secara total, sebanyak 263 pesawat, 145 helikopter, 1.693 kendaraan udara tak berawak dieliminir Rusia selama operasi. Juga 361 rudal permukaan ke udara, 4.259 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 789 peluncur roket ganda, 3.270 buah artileri dan mortir lapangan, dan 4.739 kendaraan militer khusus telah dihancurkan sejak dimulainya operasi militer khusus, kata Letjen Igor Konasenkov. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 250 tentara Federasi Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 41.900 tentara Rusia tewas sejak awal konflik hingga hari 164. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky rapat khusus dengan Panglima Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina Jenderal Valery Zaluzhny, Menteri Pertahanan Oleksiy Reznikov membahas perkembangan terkini. Zelensky menyebut Rusia akan menanggung kerugian besar jika tak segera meninggalkan Ukraina. Sejarah akan mencatat penjajah akan menanggung kerugian dan diperlakukan, kata Zelensky.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. Air strikes of the Russian aerospace forces and artillery units' fire have hit temporary deployment point of the 46th Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Belogorka in Kherson region. More than 400 nationalists have been killed as a result of high-precision weapon strikes by the Russian aerospace forces against combat positions of the 105th Battalion of the 63rd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces in Andreevka, Lozovoye and Dolgovoye in Kherson region. Over 70 nationalists have been killed and about 150 wounded as a result of high-precision strike by the Russian aerospace forces against a stronghold of the Foreign Legion formation. More than 80 foreign mercenaries and 11 pieces of special equipment have been destroyed in Vyvodova in Dnepropetrovsk region. Against the background of massive losses of Ukrainian troops in Nikolaev direction, soldiers of units of the 59th Motorized Infantry Brigade and the 61st Infantry Jaga Brigade, as well as the 35th Marine Brigade, have refused to follow the order for offensive, are abandoning their positions and deserting. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. During the day, one command post of the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Drushkovka in Donetsk People's Republic has been hit, as well as 135 areas of Ukrainian personnel and military equipment concentration. 2 ammunition depots near Trudovoye and Soledar in Donetsk People's Republic have been destroyed. In addition, 1 Ukrainian fuel depot with more than 50,000 tons of diesel fuel for military equipment of the Dnepr Task Force grouping has been destroyed near Zaporozhye. During counter-battery warfare, 1 Ukrainian platoon of Alha and US HIMARS multiple launch rocket systems have been destroyed near Petigorskaya in Kharkov region. 5 platoons of Grad MLRS, 3 platoons of Gvozdika self-propelled artillery systems, 1 artillery platoon of Gyatsin B guns, and 4 artillery platoons of D-30 howitzers at firing positions have been suppressed near Avdiivka, Soledar, Seversk, Serebryanka, Artyomovsk, Novgorodskoye, Georgievka, Velika Novoselka, Shnurki in Donetsk Donetsk People's Republic, Kalinovka and Dobroye in Nikolaev region. Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 2 Su-25S of Ukrainian Air Force. One Su-25 has been shot down during aerial battle by operational tactical aviation near Solntsevo in Kirovograd region. Another Ukrainian Su-25 has been shot down by air defense means near Radgosnoye in Kherson region. Russian air defense means have also shot down 8 unmanned aerial vehicles near Dubrovnoye, Suligovka, Dolginkoye, Priship, Bayrak, Bolokhov Yar in Kharkov region, and Pologi in Zaporozhye region. In addition, 26 multiple launch rockets have been intercepted near Kakhovskaya hydroelectric power station, Antonovsky Bridge, Chernobyevka, Brelovka, Novaya Kakhovka, Aleshkovsky Peski, Surupinsk in Kherson region, Sukhaya Kamenka and Barvenkova in Kharkov region. In total, 263 aircraft and 145 helicopters, 1,693 unmanned aerial vehicles, 361 surface-to-air missiles, 4,259 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 789 multiple rocket launchers, 3,270 pieces of field artillery and motors, and 4,739 special military vehicles have been destroyed since the beginning of the special military operation.